Are you sick and tired of bushy, thin, or sparse brows? Well, so am I. So if you want to tame those brow hairs, honey, then please keep watching.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a brow tutorial, an updated one. I've done one or two in the past, and I really wanted to do an updated one because I found a new brow product that I really love. It is the Maybelline Total Temptations brow product. This came out a couple of months ago, I think. Maybe one or two. Maybe I'm over exaggerating. Maybe I'm over the top. Maybe I'm overdoing it. Maybe. So this is the Total Temptations Brow Definer. It's not a brow pencil. A brow pencil. It's a brow definer. I bought mine in the shade 315 Deep Brown. I wanted something that was going to actually show up on my brows. My eyebrows are really thick. I did them a couple of weeks ago, and they weren't growing back the way they used to, so I got scared. Brush applique part that's on the other side of this, and it's a very short bristle brush. It's kind of chunky. I really like it. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because it's like not one of the average long ones, but worked pretty good. Brush these thick brow hairs in place. I think we're good. Swirl it up. Ooh, that's too much. And there's brow hairs already on this from me, of course. Here is how the brow definer side looks. So I always like to start at the tail, and what really helps me get that angle and arch is to lift my brow up like Dr. Evil. I'm pretty sure you guys remember that from my other tutorial.
So again, I like to start at the tail of my brow, kind of outlining it and working my way up to the top, still outlining. And I like to go in and kind of outline the bottom and fill it in as I go. Now I like to lightly fill in the front with light strokes just to keep it light and not harsh in the front. You know what I'm saying. So now it looks something like this. So what I'm going to do now is go in with the spoolie brush side and just brush through so they're not harsh and, didn't pick up any extra product, and keep it in there. Distributes it nice and evenly. Now moving on the other side, following the same steps. Oh my gosh, what just happened to my voice? Never miss an opportunity to pause, take a second, see how your brows are looking, see how they're doing, and then we're back. So now time to clean up the brows and shape them a little bit better. I love to go in with concealer. If I'm feeling a more natural type of look, I'll go in with my foundation to clean it up. It'll blend in better. But if you want a more defined look, go in with concealer. And I didn't even realize on this part, but my Makeup Forever, my camera is focusing on my Makeup Forever palette instead of cleaning up my brows. So I hope you guys can see what I'm doing yeah. So now I'm just going in and blending it in with my finger. I totally forgot to use a brush. I like to use a brush to get in really good. Yes, and the brow is snatched to fine. Yes, and the brows are snatched, bold, defined, daring. I'm just kidding.
I never use any type of setting brow product to set anymore. I don't know, but I just feel like when I use the brow products to set my brows, I feel like they move my brows out of place, and then it ends up setting that way. What are they looking like, guys? Are they looking fierce enough? Are they looking fierce, fabulous, thick, too dark? What you guys think? So what I'm gonna do is apply the rest of my makeup that I'm going to be applying for this video, this eyeshadow video that I'm coming out with, or it's probably gonna be out before this brow tutorial goes out. I don't know. I'll be back with my rest of my makeup on, because the brows never look complete without the rest of your makeup done. I'll be back.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this brow tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!